Hi everyone, in this video I'll show how to recover permanently deleted Gmail account or recover permanently deleted Google account. If you want to recover your deleted Gmail account or recover your deleted Google account, so let's see how to do that. So first of all, go to your Google Chrome. You can see Google Chrome, open it. After that, in this here write or search how to recover Google account or Gmail. You can see how to recover your Google account or Gmail. Open it. Scroll down. You can see recover a deleted Google account. If you recently deleted your Google account, you can follow the steps to recover your account. And in this you can choose and open recover your account. After the choose, follow the steps to recover your account. Open it. Account recovery, recover your Google account. And in this here write your permanently deleted Gmail account or Google account. After written a Gmail account, and then you can choose next, click here. Account deleted. This account was recently deleted and may be recoverable. Click next to attempt to restore this account. After that you can choose next. Enter your password and in this here write your permanently deleted Gmail account or Google account password. After written a Gmail account password, after that choose next. You can see success, you have undeleted your account. You entered your current password, so you can continue to your Google account. You can still change your password if you want. And in this way I can easily recover permanently deleted Gmail account or recover permanently deleted Google account. After that open change password. And in this time you can easily change your recover permanently deleted Gmail account. And in this here write your Gmail account new password, or in this here write your Gmail account confirm new password. After that go to your Gmail, open it, right top corner click on it. In this time you can choose add another account. Open Google and in this here write your Gmail account. After that choose next. Next, click here. Choose I agree. After that open it. You can see your Google account was recovered successfully. Account recovered successfully. That's mean I can easily recover permanently deleted Gmail account or recover permanently deleted Google account. So thank you very much and please subscribe this channel.